Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we are going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about why Americans drive on the right side of the road. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Do Americans drive on the left side of the road like in the UK? No, Americans drive on the right side of the road. Did medieval people travel on the left side to defend themselves? Yes, traveling on the left allowed right-handed people to use swords more easily. Did American farmers sit on the right horse when driving wagons? No, they sat on the left rear horse. Was the first right side driving law passed in California? No, it was passed in Pennsylvania in 1792. Did early American wagons have driver's seats like modern cars? No, drivers sat on horses, not in seats. Did Henry Ford place the steering wheel on the right side of the car? No, he placed it on the left side. Is driving on the right side a tradition in most countries? Yes, about 65% of countries drive on the right. Did the use of large wagons influence American road habits? Yes, it led to the practice of driving on the right. Do all countries follow the same driving rules? No, some countries drive on the left, others on the right. Is driving on the right side part of American culture and identity? Yes, it became standard through history and tradition. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.